And I guess welcome back to our vlogs. It's been a while since we do vlogs and upload videos here in our channels. And congratulations! We are now on 69 followers. So thank you so much kahit pa paano. It's really been a while since I visited this channel or our channels. Like our last upload was I guess last year or isang taon na rin since we do vlogs. Na busy ang mga person, and as you can see, I'm alone with this vlog. And yeah, without further ado, we're here to try some cakes. And shout out to Esenyas Mariano for bringing and giving me cakes na pa-birthday gift daw niya sa akin since I celebrated my last birthday or my birthday last weeks. So, yeah. It's 3 flavored. Nagulat ako kasi akala ko isang flavored lang. Nung tinatanong niya kasi ako kung ano yung mga cakes na hindi ko kinakain or flavor na hindi ko kinakain. So, hindi naman ako mapili sa flavor ng cakes except strawberry cake. So, ang pinili ko lang is yung one of their cakes with which is chocolate mousse, since I'm a fan of chocolate cake. Then she basically sent us 3 since na pwede nating i-try, and she requested me to do some honest review of the taste of their cakes. And since mapapansin nyo, bawas na siya, binawasan na sila ni nanay tsaka ni tatay kanina. But yeah, this vlogs is all about tasting their cakes. And yeah, let's get started. So kanina nung kausap ko sila nanay, since sila yung unang tumikim ng cakes, ang sabi nila is masarap daw. So titingnan natin kung parehas kami ng tipo sa cakes. Since si nanay kasi hindi naman siya talaga, fan of cakes, or both of them are not fan of cakes. Since bumibili lang rin naman kami ng cakes for occasion, or sometimes nung pag yung mga katrabaho ko, like nagbe-bake sila ng homemade cakes, inaalok nila ako, then bumibili naman ako, tapos nagtatry. So I really like cheesecake, chocolate cakes, and other flavored cakes. And sabi nila masarap daw, hindi matamis or hindi siya sobrang tamis, hindi rin siya matabang. Then the bread is moist. So I guess it will be a moist cake. I personally didn't try it nung kinakain nila kanina kasi yun nga, bibidyoan ko pa siya. So wala akong time kanina mag-video habang kumakain sila. So ayun. So let's try. So ang unang cakes na flavor cake na itatry natin is chocolate mousse. So, this chocolate mousse, ito yung flavor na pinili ko nung pinapapili niya ako kasi na-confuse ang lola mo. Syempre, akala ko isa lang. Tapos sabi niya, kung ano-ano pa yung pinapapili niya sa akin, may na ako sa decision making. So, ayun. Nagulat naman ako nung dinala niya kagabi. Kagabi pa to actually. Nung dinala niya kagabi, na 3 pala to. So, tinanong ko din siya. By the way, the name of their shop is Ada's Confectionery. So, if you're familiar, some of my friends are familiar with their brand. Because meron silang kiosk sa SM Fairview located at ground floor food court. But the thing is, there is a price difference kung sa SM kayo bibili. So, it's very affordable. Tinanong ko sila kung meron sila yung round cake na usually na nabibili natin. They don't have. They're selling their cakes with tub only. So, makita nyo naman, halos puno siya. Makapal din yung mismong bread niya. And yeah, as you can see, moist bread siya. So, let's see. Man natin. Ano yung kutsara ko? Ang hirap mag-vlog, no? Parang sobrang awkward pag nagba-vlog ka. So, we will make it short and simple. Frito, and I'll post the link of their Facebook page. Please like, share, visit, and follow their page kung gusto nyong umorder. Sa mga taga Caloocan dyan, they really have a lot of kiosks and stores around Caloocan. I think they have in SM Valenzuela, SM, kanina nag-take notes ako eh. SM Molino, SM Sangandaan, SM Fairview, SM Sukat. They also have in South, they have in SM Sukat, SM Robinson Manila, Walter Mart, Plaridel, Bulacan, I guess. And yung friend ko, naka-assign siya sa Sierra Nova, Bagumbong. And what I like about it is nung shinare niya or nung pinapapili niya ako, it's freshly baked. So makaka-guaranteed ka na araw-araw fresh yung cakes na mabibili mo sa kanila. So, itong tinatry ko is chocolate mousse. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Hindi na overpowered nung whipped cream yung tinapay. And at the same time, yung tinapay, lasa siyang kokwa. Like, yung bread niya may flavor din. Of course, it's a cake, so kailangan may flavor din yung ano. Pero hindi siya yung typical na sobrang tamis na nakakaumay. I'm not sure about the two kasi yung isang flavor, chocolate din yun. It's Black Forest and Yema. Masarap siya. Masarap yung chocolate mousse. I like the bread. Hindi siya dry. Na yung tipong mauumay ka. Or mauuhaw ka kasi dry siya. Then, yung icing niya, itong chocolate icing, it's not just a whipped cream na flavored chocolate. Hindi ganun ka-thick. Hindi rin ganun ka, ka-light nung icing. Or yung chocolate mousse. Especially kasi pag chocolate mousse, yung ewan ko, ako nasanay ako sa mga mousse or chocolate mousse na parang sobrang nagdi-drip yung mousse nila. Sakit. Masarap siya. It's, sarap to. Chocolate mousse. Yeah. Whipped cream up on top. Chocolate mousse on fillings. Then yung bread niya is moist. May chocolate chips din siya sa ibabaw, by the way. So, mataas siya, and I hear they really have an affordable price pagdating sa mga cakes nila. Kumbaga, budget meal yung presyo nila sa cakes. Second will be, parang masya-sugar rush ako dito. But, let me drink coffee first. Masarap siyang i-partner sa coffee. I don't know, for me, pag kumakain ako ng cakes or something sweet, literal na, pina-partner ko siya sa coffee. Di ka lugi sa packaging nila kasi mataas yung tub, yung normal tub na malaki. Then puno siya, then yung cakes niya, siksik siya, hindi siya ma-airy. Kaya siguro masarap din siya. Then this is the Black Forest cake. Hindi siya tinipid. Or kasi, pag nakakabili kasi ako sa labas, alam mo yun, yung parang tinipid sa and the price is not that little, or hindi siya ganun ka, out of words ako. Hindi siya ganun kamura. So, but for this one, makikita mo na they have, yung cherry filling ata to. Hindi man ako maano sa mga fillings. Cherry fillings and whipped cream of course and the bread. I think same sila ng dough nung chocolate mousse. Pasensyahan nyo na guys kung awkward yung video natin kasi hindi naman talaga ako nagvi-video. I don't hindi na ako nag-upload masyado. Tayo ay matagalan. Pero let's see. Ooh. Gusto ko yung nila, yung bread nila masiksik, alam mo yun, yung hindi siya ma-airy, pag kinain mo siya, mabigat siya, parang mabigat siya. So, let's see. Magtira tayo para mamaya may dessert. Nauna yung dessert kaysa sa hapunan. So, let's try the Black Forest most of the time. Una ko tikman yung chocolate sa ibabaw. Yung chocolate sa ibabaw, hindi siya typical na chocolate na lasa. Lasa siyang Hershey's. Hindi ko sure kung anong ginamit nila na ingredients since hindi ako nagtanong masyado kasi syempre binigyan lang tayo, di ba? Juicy pa ba tayo? Pero yung chocolate flakes niya sa ibabaw, lasa siyang Hershey chocolate. Black Forest. Chocolate mousse, di ko na ubos mamaya na lang kasi konti na lang yung memory ng cellphone ko. Baka makat. Kawawa naman tayo. The airport. Diba? So, yung Black Forest nila parang na typical na Black Forest. Most of the time kasi pag bumili ka ng Black Forest sa mga well-known brand, for me masyado siyang matamis kaya hindi ako masyadong bumibili ng Black Forest. Extra, same sila ng bread nung chocolate mousse. Moist cake din yung ginamit. Then, since may layer siya ng cherry ice cream, cherry icing before nung whipped cream, parang may ano tawag dito? Parang medyo may tangerine taste siya. But overall, masarap siya. But I preferred the chocolate mousse than Black Forest kasi for me masyadong matamis yung Black Forest. And ayoko nang masyadong matamis sa cakes. So, yeah. Last na to. Then, we will cut it kasi this video is too much awkward. But, so far, so good. Masarap yung dalawang cake. They also have some, leche flan, ube alaya, yung tinanong ko siya. And, like, carrot cake, red velvet cake. Then, marami pang flavor. So, sabi niya, one of the best seller